Most companies treat their careers page like an afterthought. It's usually a list of job postings somewhere on their website. But a well-designed careers page actually plays a huge role in attracting the right candidates and creating a structured hiring process. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the careers page module of a recruiting system or ATS that I'm currently creating. And I'm going to talk about some of the automation companies can implement to make things much more efficient. So let's get started. Welcome back to another video here at the Automation Desk YouTube channel. My name is Will with Local Systems. And on this channel, we help teams design and build internal tools, portals, and automation workflows so their businesses can run more efficiently without over-engineering things. Now, I've spent a few years working with growing companies designing systems that help teams operate more efficiently. And one area where companies often struggle is hiring and recruiting workflows. So right now, I'm building a custom applicant tracking system or ATS. But instead of showing the entire platform in one video, I'm breaking it down into different modules. So this first video, we're going to be focusing on the careers page, which is the part where the candidates interact with when they visit the company's website and are exploring open roles. So let's jump right into it. So right now we're on the dashboard where this is where the recruiter is actually going to come and track all their stuff, submit new candidates, new requisitions. But this is a module for another video. Right now we're going to be going over the careers page. So if we load our careers page, this careers page right now I have it within the platform, but we can always grab this career page and embed it into your company portal. Now, the first section that you're going to see at the top of the careers page is the introduction of the company. So instead of immediately showing the job listings, we first explain what the company does, why the work matters, and what it's like working with the teams. So this section is actually really important because candidates want to quickly answer a simple question. Is this a company that I want to work for? And by providing this context helps attract candidates who actually align with the company's mission and the type of work they'll be doing, which is really important. And from an automation perspective, this section could be connected to an internal system like a company blog, employee stories, which you're going to see at the bottom of this page, or project highlights so the content stays updated automatically. Now, there's one section here that actually embedded in this cards, and that's what we look for in team members. And you can actually create the whole section for just this one card, but I've included it in here. But if you were to create a whole section, this is going to highlight what the company looks for in team members. So this section communicates the values and characteristics that are important to the team. So instead of focusing only on technical skills, it also emphasizes on things like collaboration, curiosity, reliability, and professionalism. So we can create another section like this and put that a whole section by itself. From a system perspective, this section also helps recruiters align hiring decisions within the company values. For example, companies can automate interview scorecards so that way interviewers can evaluate candidates against this same criteria. So that's an opportunity for automation right there. If we move down into the exploring opportunities section, this is where the candidates begin exploring open roles. So here we have two entry points. One is going to be browsing experience roles, and these are going to be for people who already have a bachelor's degree or postgrad and above. And we also have another section for browse graduate and internship roles because sometimes it's good to separate these two. By separating these two roles, it helps candidates quickly navigate opportunities based on their level of experience. Behind the scenes, these sections could also be automated so that when a recruiter creates a new job requisition, the role automatically appears in the correct category. If we click on each of these cards, it's going to open up a new page, and that's to search jobs. And right now is the same for all of them. It just loads to the actual job page where all the roles are posted, but we can also create where this actually just when you click on it, it clicks onto the description and everything for that specific role. But right now, that's the way I've set it up. Here in this search job page, they can browse all available positions, and this page includes search and filters so that candidates can quickly find roles that match their interests. For example, they might filter by category, by department, by location, which some people, it's really important to them to know whether this role is hybrid or in office or remote. And As companies grow and start hiring across multiple teams, these filters become very important because they make it easier for candidates to navigate the available opportunities. From an automation perspective, this page can also connect to internal workflows so that when a role is marked as closed, it automatically disappears from the careers page. From here, if we click on a role, you have the option to click apply, in which is going to open a form linked to this actual job posting. And so when the candidate applies, it's going to automatically be applying to this specific role. And that's configured in the back end. And if we click on details, it gives them a page of details to the posted position. So this page contains everything they need to know about the position. At the top, we show key information like the location, the employment type, job ID, open date, hiring company. And below that, we include the full job description with sections like responsibilities, about the role. And on this section about the role is where they have key responsibilities, required qualifications, preferred qualifications, what we offer. And you can also divide this into different sections instead of having them in just one field in the back end of the database, which is about the role. Structuring the job description this way helps candidates quickly understand whether the role is a good fit. And from here, they can click apply now if they choose to, which also opens the same form that I showed you earlier. And this is also where a lot of useful automations come in. For example, you can automatically send confirmation emails to applicants, notifying recruiters when a new candidate applies, and creating candidate records in the ATS pipeline. So all this job posting details what search jobs are can also have a lot of the automations in the back end that will make it more useful for your team. We go back to our careers page. We also have a section in here that talks about what it's like working at the company. So for example, why someone might want to work here, how the hiring process works, opportunities for graduates and interns, and benefits and well-being. Now, these sections can help candidates understand the overall experience of working at the company. For this case, I'm using Local Systems as an example, and not just the job itself. Companies can also automate part of this by connecting the sections to internal knowledge bases or HR systems. And right now you can preview and you can click on each of this, and you can actually link this to the back. So if you have already a knowledge base or a blog, you can link this there and it'll display. Right now I don't have a page developed for this one, so nothing opens, but once you hit preview, it can get you to another page that talks all about this certain topic. If we scroll down, the last section is going to be life at Local Systems. And this is where employees search their experience working there. So these are testimonials that provide social proof and help candidates see what it's like from the perspective of people already working there. Companies can even automate this by pulling employee stories from internal blogs or company updates, or even after someone leaves, you may send a survey. We can scan that using AI and post some of that in here. Now, why does this all matter? Well, a well-designed careers page does more than just list jobs. It helps companies attract the right candidates, communicate their culture, and create a structured entry point into the hiring process. And when integrated with an ATS, applications can automatically flow into the recruiting pipeline. It can trigger notifications and it can start the interview workflows. This careers page is just one module of the recruiting system or ATS that I'm currently building. In the next few videos, I'm going to be walking you through different parts of the platform, including the dashboard that I created that you can see here, and also their sidebar where you can submit different candidates, submit forms. And I'm still developing the CRM section and the hiring section. And this one is just so you can see it, just a quick show of how it looks. And I'm still building some of these sections, but that's going to come in future videos. Now, if you're interested in automations, internal tools, and building similar systems like this one for your organization, make sure to subscribe to the channel or reach out to us at localsystems.com. Book your free 30-minute consultation. We're happy to talk with you and see where we can help. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed what I showed you. I appreciate you for watching. My name is Will, and I'll see you on the next one.